told E's Daily Pop that he told her to pick a wedding date ASAP because he wanted to get married before the end of the year. But a wedding never happened. In fact, the years passed by and Tony kept pushing back their wedding date due to her work commitments. Sound like me?
Put your deodorant on, okay? You can't be out here musty and dusty and crusty. That's not cute. Like, who wants to smell that? Nobody. You're shitting that body up. Alright?
Because they're good friends. They've been good friends for a long time. That's why I think they don't want all eyes on them when they got married. That's why they keep going back and forth about how they really gonna get situated. Because Tony's probably thinking, one day I might meet a king or a prince. I ain't gonna look at.
Ashy and crusty and flaky. Put some lotion on that body.
Go ahead and lock this in, in a civil way. Not civil meaning nice, but civil meaning according to the law. So they're legally my children.
First, they don't really have much of a relationship anymore. I mean, from my understanding, the family's pretty communal.
I'll show YouTube. Get your journal. And write about your boring day.
Their relationship. And Ray's been like this ever since he's left Tish. Since he's been divorced, he's like a little bit immature on social media. Just like posting his girlfriends willy-nilly. Fans were shocked. One person said, I didn't have this on my bingo card. Another person patted him. Oh, gee, this is odd. I'm hoping it's an AI image. Unfortunately, it's not. A source says that Billy Ray has become a recluse since his split from Fire Rose. Oh gosh, Fire Rose. Because he truly believed she was the one. Since their divorce, Billy has shut out a lot of people because he really trusts no one. While it's not clear when the couple started dating, they've known each other for a number of years, both starring in a 2022 Christmas in Paradise film.
I just know I am not the only one who is passionate about this film. We all know my business, running social media on this holy day. What I do not understand is he gives me the finest essence of this man genuinely is proud of his life. So when I see OSB Party all over this man, I'm gonna be honest.
do not mind my bed. I have a problem. But it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Should I end it here? Yeah, because I'm just finna chill. I'm not gonna lie, it's hot. I'm gonna turn this light out and chill. Finish writing and chill. And chill. Oh, y'all. I got my thing that I didn't need, but who cares, right? But thanks for watching. I do not like ending videos because all I can say is thank you. Thanks for even clicking. Thanks for even looking at the title, you know? So that's it, and that's all. I'm out of here. See ya.